Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this short video, I want to show you how to download and install the TPlayer application on your Android TV. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe for more videos like this. So on our Android TV box, to install this application, we need a downloader since we don't use Playstore. But if you don't know how to install download on your Android TV, in the description of this video, there is a link there that's going to guide you to install downloader. If you already have downloader, good and fine. Just launch your downloader and then come over here and type in this code. Remember, we're installing this application without using the Play Store on an Android TV. So just go over here and type in this code 28907 and you go ahead and launch. This is going to bring us to a website called firetvsticks.com, which is created by Dan on YouTube. So you can just check it out on YouTube, Fire TV Sticks. And what this website has most of the applications that we need on Android TV, and they're all divided into categories. So since we're looking for the category of media player, that's where TPlayer falls on. All we have to do is to come over to the option here that says media player and click on it once. It's going to bring us to a category of media players. Now we are looking for the option of TPlayer. So please just scroll down a little, and as you can see on my screen, here is it over here. So just come to this option here and click. The application was lastly updated last month, so do not have any fears. So just click on it once and it's going to bring us to a website for the download page. So once you bring it to this download page, what you have to do is just to scroll down to where you see the download option. Here's it here. Oh god, here's it. So just go over to it. So that's done, the creator of this website. So go over here and just click download. So as you click download, the application is going to start downloading straight away. So you can just wait for it to quickly download to your Android TV and then you can install. So now the application is done downloading, just go ahead and click install, and then it's going to be installed to your Android TV or TV box. Delete the app file to save space, and if you return home and refresh, you are going to see the TPlayer application already installed and it should be somewhere here. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, like and subscribe.